I saw this thing. Someone made lasagna. But instead of pasta, they used Big Macs. How come I don't have a sister too? We don't need any more kids, buddy. Two people just have another baby if one of them is ugly.
That's why we had Cooper.
Sweetie! My teacher said my picture was very creative. Here's the villager kid in chamber. And this is the room where babies are free to poop in their pants. Very creative. That's the same face Mrs. Hood did. So, when is she parent-teacher conference? She said ASAP.
Look, you can drive a car like Daddy.
Nice signaling, freak. I hope you crash your goddamn shit wagon, you idiot freak. Can you fucking believe this guppy dipshit? She's just sitting there. Go if you are going. Which do you love more, your bass or your guitar? Which would you grab if the house was on fire?
I've got two hands, don't I?
Okay, what if you had a kid in one hand?
Which kid? Problem solved.
It's so strange to be our bisexual grown-ups. So, a group of us were thinking about organizing a match. You know, for all the stuff that's been happening on TV. Oh, believe me, I'm in. Paw Patrol has really jumped at the shark. Marshall is already the firefighter pup, and they're gonna make him an ambulance guy too. This is America! You can just put on a different hat and do ambulance stuff. Just make it a different dog, like a Boston Terrier. Everybody loves their little smush faces. And let me tell you about Kaya. Kaya, the creepy about little pecker. Red.
Red.
Red. Gryffindor. Yellow.
Lila.
Yellow. Hufflepuff. Blue.
Boo.
Blue. Slytherin.
Thank you for bringing this to our attention. It is very troubling.
Slytherin is green. We practice this at home. Now we've got it squared away. Let's get a head start on house sigils. What's that? It sounds familiar. Look, Mommy! We found all the lost toys in a cupboard. Booty dance! Watch my booty dance! I farted! Look at my nipples! Can you put this on so we can take a photo for Granny? No, it's too embarrassing. I don't need a nap. Just lie down for a little bit. No, because if I lie down, then I'll fall asleep and then there's no I'll be right. Can I have candy? I've told you no already. Well, ignore yourself. Shut up, you. Oh, already. Well, ignore yourself. Shut up, you. And here is a baby's head. Cute brain.
Looks like the life, Ellen.
It's weird how we see the inside of a baby before the outside.
Same for the baby with you. You did it!
I'm going to do it again! I'll never do it! Sensory play? Ha! Well, if you say so, Pinterest. Looks like a pain to set up, but this is gonna be totally worth it. Look what I made you. Now take this scoop and... I'm done with it now. Meow. Sorry, I'm late. Did art with the kids. Had to change your clothes and grab a snack. How did you know? The spirits speak to me. Wish the spirits had told me to say no to the glitter. The what? Cow. Oh, haha. I'm going to say the B word. Okay. Ball. I'm going to say the F word. Alright. Fuck. Fish.
I tidied the cable drawer.
You threw away the ones we don't need, right? You threw away the ones we don't need, right? Guess who was top of the class this semester?
It was you, right? It was you, right?
Meow. Yep, I planted the fake poop. It was a fake poop, right? It was a fake poop, right? Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
The first rule of the cat ripping is to wait in the shadows.
No, Papa.
Not yet. You have 6 lives left.
But I wanted to rip him.
Patience. A cat ripper's greatest Hannah, did you just rip that mouse?
What mouse? Please, listen. It's bedtime. Please go up. Bali is my best friend. This is how he talks. Mama, 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 mama.
What then, Belly? Mama, 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 mama. He says he wants you to go put your PJs on.
You got it, Bali.
I fucking love Bali.
This is how cults start. Who? Over here. Look at me. Got it.
Uh-oh. Looks like somebody needs some tickles. In worst case of the grumps, I never did see. The only prescription is more tickles.
Just print. You don't need sign, you wretched thing.
How can you be mad when your tummy is covered in tick?
I'm a different one.
I'm going to have a little taste of ice cream.
Are you sure? That's wise? You did just eat a ton of fruit hoops. Oh, wait. That was me. Mom, why doesn't Daniel Tiger wear pants? I guess Mrs. Tiger lost the battle to get him dressed. I can relate. We are running late, so let's get these clothes on you super fast. Hurry, 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 hurry. I just had to get cute and pick out matching outfits.